Guys, this is Lowe's 2023 Black Friday deals, part 3. So we have an auto magnetic retrieval tool here. This is for $9.98. If you lose a tool, you can get it with this, or lose a part, basically. This is a digital tire gauge here, and this one is $9.98 as well. And this is a folding magnetic tray here. It comes with the 2 pieces, and you can hold screws and items like that. This is $9.98. This is a compact easy grip 25-foot tape measure from Craftsman here. Comes in the 2 pieces. It's a $35.96 value here. I've shown these items before, I believe. This is a 44-piece ratcheting screwdriver set for $19. This is a 20-piece hex key set for $14. These are the fiberglass hammers for $6.98. They still have these. These are pretty light, although they feel sturdy. And here we have a $29.98 4-volt pivoting screwdriver. And this comes with an LED light as well as a picture hanging kit in it as well. So you could add this to your small little toolbox if you need something in the kitchen or something like that. This is $24.98 for a 4-volt roto screwdriver. Comes with an LED as well and a magnetic end here for you. These are some utility knives. This is a 3-piece grooved plier set. And this is the Cobalt exclusive 126-piece mechanics tool set. This is a torque wrench here. Looks like it's a 3/8 of an inch torque wrench. Yeah, drive torque wrench for $55. And this is a 6-in-1 screwdriver set here. The multi-tool, it says dual-sided shaft. And the pieces are actually inside the handle there, so it's convenient. And it shows how to remove them there. This has got an acetate handle. And that's going to be $7.98. And up next we have the 25-piece screwdriver set. And it also comes with the little picks at the bottom here. Well, basically every kind of screwdriver you'll need here. Those are the little smaller pick type pieces if you need them. And this is again Craftsman 25-piece set. And here we've got a metal sawhorse. It's pretty steady. I mean, pretty sturdy. When I pulled it out, it was pretty, heavy. So it is mean it's steel. And going back in was a little bit of an issue. But this was $14.98, was $24.98. So that's a good deal. And this wall just was full of toolboxes. So this is a Craftsman trade stack toolbox. I believe that said it was $59 here. And the little handles and latches are pretty sturdy. This is what it looks like inside. Comes with a little flyer here. And this is the little case on it here. And that's what it looks like. That's $59. This is the Craftsman trade stack here for $89.98. And these are the latches here. They're pretty sturdy. And this one has 2 shelves inside. So they're not built up here, not placed on top of it, but those are inside here. And you can stack these up as well. So you can buy one, and this one has a handle on the back as well with wheels. So you can stack them on top of each other. And next up we've got, this is the actually the trade stack here. This is when you pull it out, they're all together, so they're kind of just showing what it looks like here when they're all stacked on top of each other. This top one here is pretty sturdy. It has different compartments, so if you want to put some of your smaller hardware in, that's perfectly fine for that. And this has a few of those on top of the bottom piece with the wheel and the handle here. So that's what that looks like. We'll put that one back. And this wall has some pretty good deals here. Let's see, this one is another trade stack, but it has a different setup. And those are $129 for the full 3-piece trade stacks. This is a Cobalt for $119. This is a Tough Built Stack Tech large toolbox. So this is another brand here. And again, the latches on these are really sturdy. This is the top little tool tray there. You can put your nuts and bolts in. And it shows it has the all-terrain wheels, high-impact steel on the side there, as you can see. And the wheels are in the back there. And of course, it has a Acura handle that you can remove as well if you need to put it in your truck or wherever you need to put it. All right, this is another compact toolbox here. This one again has the steel on the edges here, so it's not going to be beat up or anything like that. This one's $89. This is a compact tool tote here, and you can't really see it from the picture, but it's got it's lined with steel basically inside it. It feels like, and the handle kind of is compact and can fold down like that. So that's another option if you need that. Let's see, this is a flex stack storage system here. And you can see how the tool tray comes out. It clicks in and comes out like that. And you can kind of hear it click into place. And this is $159. And this is that's the 3-drawer box there. This is a DeWalt backpack. It's water resistant. It has all kinds of compartments in here. So I'll show you what it looks like here. It's got the little lanyard strings on the zipper here. And look at the inside here. There's all kinds of little compartments. You can put all your tools here. And again, the bottom and the whole thing is water resistant. And all the zippers are very versatile here. This is a little thinner compartment in the back of this backpack where you could maybe put a laptop or paperwork, things like that. But that's what it looks like here. And it has a handle on the back that kind of comes out as well. So haven't seen this item before, but looks pretty cool. And then next up, we've got some graphite pencils here. These are for $4, 20 count. And this is a Lufkin 25-foot tape measure. It says Control Series. And I believe that was $16. This is a Lufkin chalk with the roll here. So if you're trying to get a straight line there, that's $8.98. We've got a tumbler 2-pack here for $19.98 here. This is a Cobalt tower light. It says a 5-year warranty, 3,000 lumens. This is for $169. It says for bare tool. I'm guessing the battery's separate. So let's go over here. This is the Cobalt section. This is a 1/4-inch mechanics tool set here, 50 piece. And this is what the front looks like here. Yeah, so little type of tool set. This is $18.98 for 25-inch compact wide blade. This is a 25-foot tape measure, and they have the 16-foot as well. This is a 360 degrees pocket level. It seemed pretty sturdy and heavy duty. This is the price, $14.98. On that was $25. These are some utility knives from Tough Built. I think they're $10 here. I like the design of these. They're kind of like a straight design. The 2-piece heavy-duty scissor set. These are 8-inch scissors, and this is $19.98. A 16-ounce hammer for $19. $24 for the framing hammer here. That's an extra long hammer. I like the feel of that one. And here's the DeWalt area here. This is the $5.99 7 toolkit right here. They have that locked up. And for $279, they've got the brushless ratchet kit. It's a $590 value. Impact wrench kit here. Comes with everything you need to get started there. And this is the buy one for $199 and get one of these free. So they have all kinds of tools here. The circular saw, the impact driver. I think I've gone over this before, but they're basically, saying buy one. This is the buy one get one section here, and they have these locked up here. These are the grinding wheels here, the 4-inch grinding wheels. They have the DeWalt 10-inch circular saw blade. And then this is a kind of a generic cutting tool set. I think this one's $49. And then they have a 40-piece screwdriver set, or driver bit set as well. And the $149, they have I think that's an oscillating tool there. So here's the buy one get one section. This is the main area for DeWalt here. These are all the corded options, it looks like. They have the bandsaw tool here for $179, and then the hammer here. Whoops, can't get this back up. There we go, for $179. And then this is $149 here, and the circular saw $149. So these are all the corded options. They also have cordless options as well. They just had a little battery deal there, it looked like. And then a oscillating tool there for $129. Looks like an impact wrench, $149, DeWalt 12 volt. And this is a brushless rotary tool, it looks like. And buy one, get one. So when you get basically one tool free when you buy one of these tools. This is the multi-head drill driver, 12 volt. That's for $134. That's the kit, 1/4 inch screwdriver kit. Comes with the battery, bag, and the tool itself. And this is the impact driver kit for $149. You get the same kind of deal here. And let's see what else we got here. This is the 6 tool combo kit that they're pushing, the $5.99. That's a pretty good deal here. You get all these tools. And let's walk over here. I think they have some cordless power tools as well. And on the back wall you have the different drill bits and things like that. They have the circular saw here. I think it says 20 volt. Yeah, 20 volt max. And these are less pricey. This is a reciprocating saw for $99, and some other tools. This is a high volume inflator for $27.98, 24 volt. And these are cobalt tools here. This is another high powered LED stand. That's $169. And you got a cobalt 24 volt battery right here. And let's see, we got the random orbital sander. And let's see what else. They have the buy one get one deals as well. And theirs are basically buy one get one with the battery starter kit, and then you get a tool. So I like their deals where they're kind of including the battery, which is always nice in case you don't want like an extra tool. You just want the tool and the battery. All right, so we're just kind of looking at some more of the cobalt deals here. These are some of the drill bits and other items. This is Bosch here, and they do the same kind of deal. You get one rotary tool, and then you get a power tool battery as well. So they're kind of mirroring the cobalt as well. So they have the different rotary hammers here in the different price points. I think it's $159, they go up to $249 with the other rotary hammer here. $199 for this one here. And this one's pretty big there. So let's go down here. I'm going to put all these in the description here. I'm going to put a link to some Black Friday deals from Lowe's, as well as kind of mirroring what I can find on Amazon for affiliate links. And let's see, this is the Jigsaw 6-speed variable skill saw for $49.98. That's not bad. So all kinds of deals here, guys. I really hope this video helped out, and check out this next video. Have a great day.